My name is Yves Arusha. I'm a Rwandan drone pilot from Akagera Aviation Limited. And Akagera Aviation Limited is a company based at Kigali International Airport. Started in last 3 years. We do some mapping survey. We do some power lines inspection. We do some trainings for training students that become drone pilots. Among those ones, we have gained a lot of skills from Aerosmart Dubai, where they have trainers for agriculture and also for power line inspection. If you want to train about inspection or power line inspection, that is where they can specialize this. Our instructors like Tristan and Edsel, which are the best pilots I have ever known, and nowadays we have become experts for power line inspection. Thank you.
The training was really comprehensive. We were happy with the content. It was relevant to what we were looking for. For the field demos as well, we had a successful mission, and we're very confident that what we have learned and what we have got from Aerosmart is going to help us improve our services at Akagera Aviation. Thank you so much.